Hello everyone, JP this side. Now I am coming with a new tutorial, the feature of Excel which is in flash fill. So this feature is very interesting and very useful everyone. So please look at what we are doing earlier than flash fill. Let's suppose we have some two values which is in first name and last name and we need to make it as in full name. So earlier we have a two option that we are going to do. One is in function concatenate. So we click on to the first text and then we use the second text and concatenate the both. So this is the approach that we are using in a function. So if you are using in a formula and you are using an operator, so we can use a text operator for that. You can look at here. These operator can be added like this. You will get the same result, the joining of these two. So this is the traditional way we people are following. Nowadays we have an interesting feature available from 2013 onwards. This feature is basically flash fill. This is a flash fill features. How we can use that? We just come to the cell where we need to do this feature. Important part is that it works within the data or the just next column to the data. So we are coming here and we are just typing, nothing extra we need to do. So we just type this. Now when I am type next one, it is automatically understand what exactly you are looking for by looking at the previous example. So this may be wrong or right depending upon your complexity of your data. So if it is coming in a second row, then fine, you just cross check with the 2-3 samples. Maybe it will come on the third or fourth row also. So in that way you can do this flash fill features and just by writing here the heading full name. Now in case you want to separate this all, we have text to column feature, we have this feature available, but still we can do with the help of a flash fill. We are just separating them. I am writing Laura. You can see it is separated. The first value is coming, then we can choose the second value. You can see this is coming, full name is divided into the first name and last name. So this is very simple to use, guys. We have some complex example on that. Just look at one more example. Let's suppose I receive some data in Excel from some software, some ERP tool. We get this data. These data contain a region, invoice number and the branch. So we want this output. This is an output which is on the right side. This is an output I'm looking for out of this data. So it is very difficult to do with the or not possible with the text to column feature because we do not have a delimit. We do not have a separator like any fixed length value. So we just come here and type the first invoice number, that is INV 55714. Just type it and just next cell, adjoining cell to that, again invoice number. Now the same is coming which is not correct, so keep typing. Now you can see this all data are coming in a very big. You can extract this information in that way also. So if you want to extract north, just type here the north and south and all stuff. We are typing here north, just caps lock north. You will get the region. Then if you want an branch, you just type the first branch. So now we are getting all the branch. So this is the desired output that I am looking for. Maybe we can arrange in according to. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. This flash fill feature help you in so many ways. Thank you so much everyone.